Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name is Amika and you can call me Mika. So I've never done an unboxing and I was like, I have all these packages over here that just came from my PO box and I want to open them. Some of them I know what they are, some of them I don't know what they are. So we're gonna open them together. I'm gonna open the ones that I know what they are first because they're probably PR, a collab that I have coming up. But don't mind how I look, y'all. I literally just woke up, got myself together, went to go get my packages, and then I came back and I was like, this is it, this is me. I know what this is. This is from an Octoly campaign that I'm gonna be doing. And sometimes when I wake up, my lips be like, girl, what about me? When it comes to beauty products, I don't buy them unless I really want them. So I won't buy nothing. So I saw this and I was like, yeah, I'm buying it. I'm getting it. Very simple box lip mask. So you can use it when your lips need extra hydration throughout the day or as an overnight lip mask. So that's why I bought it, because overnight lip mask is a necessity for me. One of the main ingredients are not in English. Okay, great. There's this brand called Happy Second Birthday, and it's a skincare brand based around the owner's father. Basically, long story short, the owner's father had a type of cancer. They beat cancer, but afterwards they had like super dry skin from like chemo and things like that, and they created a skincare brand for their father. They wanted content in exchange for, you know, how that goes. But I told them I wanted to try the things first and maybe I'll like post on my story or something like that. So they sent me what I asked for. Y'all have to be very particular about what you say in the emails, because you can get your way. You know, you don't have to just say, oh, I'm not doing anything for free. Sometimes you just gotta finesse them a little bit, right? Cute little personalized notes. I like this packaging. I think this packaging is like super cool. I think it's kind of like futuristic in a way. And this is cute packaging too. Look at that. She is cute. And I didn't break it. It has this cover. Like, says apply throughout the day and night to nourish and soften your lips. This brand, Bubble. I bought it because I just thought it was so cute. You get this little travel size kit for free. All you have to do is pay shipping. And I think this little travel size kit, y'all, is like $30. And I just have to pay shipping, which was like $4. So why not? It came with all the instructions, but then it also came with like these super cute stickers, y'all. First of all, the inside of the book. The inside of the box is so freaking cute. And with this little envelope that says, open me. And then once you open it and you pull it out, it's stickers. I have no clue what I'm gonna do with the stickers, but like, one fun fact about me is that I used to collect stickers. Like back in the day, they used to sell sticker books where it's kind of like this type of material that you can put the stickers on. But once you take the stickers off, they'll still be sticky. So like it won't peel the paper off. And I used to collect stickers. Bag, like it's a little zipper. So like once I take this out, I can use the bag for like anything. $4, you really can't beat that. I realized that this brand is a high schooler. So she's just starting her brand. She's just launching next month in October. And I'm like, usually I don't create free content for anybody, but I'm like, that's fine. You're a high schooler, like I want to support your business. I'm not gonna just, you know, say no. She sent over a contract and everything. I'm like, okay, girl, you are professional now. Vitamin E mousse. It looks like this. It's this blue color. It smells very like fresh. It doesn't really smell like anything. It just smells fresh. One creator tip, if you're a new creator and you like, you know, you don't have that many followers, but like you don't have very little followers, Octoly, I think it requires you to have 1,000 followers, and it's like gifted stuff for like in exchange for videos. But the thing about Octoly is that they can use your videos on like social media, but they cannot use them as ads if you opt out of the ad campaign portion. So they can just like use it and like repost it on their page, which is what brands do anyway. I'd rather get products that I want and like, you know, review them rather than like me using my own money to buy products and then reviewing, and then a brand just takes it and puts it on their page, right? So I'd rather get it for free if they're gonna do it anyway. This is another cream. Y'all, I'm just really going through it trying to find a cream that's going to be really good for my combination skin. I think I found a cream that's really good for my oily prone skin, but my dry skin, honey. Creamy Calming Complex. It has all these things that I cannot pronounce in it, but they look good. Packaging, everything. Y'all, it's so cute. Stop it. Stop it. This is so freaking cute. Wait a minute. Hold on. This is full of surprises. Okay, this is how you open it. You literally like twist the cap. Oh my god. And it comes up like that. Yo! That is so cute. And then you just twist it back. Shut up. Now this last one, I know what it is because the box. Good molecules, y'all. Good molecules. If y'all watch any of my skincare routines, y'all know that I use them faithfully. So I reached out to them and I was like, hey, I want to work with you. Be like the cutest brand ever. Look at it. This is where I get most of the products from. Gel. Their brightening toner. I'm gonna show y'all what's in here before I see. Oh, I knew this. I do care. DEW care. Let's do this sheet mask. So these are like 5-day sheet masks. Basically, you just put on one a day, and I think they tell you like which one should be day 1, 2, 3, 4. Next box. So it's AZ Hair Care. This is the Compose Matte Texturizer Scope and Mode. This texturizer, well, it's like a, I don't really know what it is. It looks like this. And the packaging, it's like super freaking cute. Intense volume mist, lift and density. I don't really know what this is. I don't know if I've ever used it, but I was like, stop it. It came with a little like clip. It says, hi Mika. We hope you love these products as much as we do. We look forward to working with you in the future. This is literally pink lotion, like the moisturizing lotion. Their comfort oil, edge control, perfecting gel. This is like a conditioning mask. Shampoo. A brush. Y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. There was a lot. And I kind of have been saving some products so I can do an unboxing, but majority of these I picked up either yesterday or today. Thank y'all for watching. If you like this video, go ahead, hit that thumbs up, and if you want me to do more, let me know, because I get packages all the time and I just be like ripping them open and just throwing out the box so I can just recycle it, or else I'm gonna have cardboard everywhere. I already have stuff everywhere, so anyway.